Right class, now we are going to the integration by parts. Okay, it is short form as IBP. Okay, IBP is the integration by parts. Okay, fokus yang apa yang saya nak explain kat sini. Yang ni later saya akan explain. Okay, so IBP, integration by parts, it is obtained from the product of differentiation, which is the derivatives of UV. It is equal U dV over dx plus V du over dx. Okay, so this is the product rule of differentiation. So when we integrate this side, okay, when we integrate this side, integrate U dV dx plus integrate V du dx, okay, we can get back this value UV. Okay, integrate this side, we do a reverse differentiation, we can get back this UV. Okay, and then this one dx we can cancel. So integrate U dV plus integrate V du equals to UV. And then we need to rearrange. Okay, integrate U dV. It is equal, yang ni awak stay kan? Okay, it is equal UV. From positive integrate V du, move to the right side, it will become negative integrate V du. So this is the formula that we're going to use for integration by parts. Okay, when we should use this formula, when we found a equation, the product of two function. Okay, when we found a equation, the product of two function, so we have to use this formula, IBP, integration by parts. Okay, so the key, okay, keyword, the key untuk kita apply IBP in the choices of U and dV. Okay, the choices of U and dV. Okay, nak apply IBP, the choices of U and dV. Okay, first step. Okay, look at the first step. We need to find U and dV from the equation. Okay, we have to let U, when we found the sequence of Liate. What is Liate here? Okay, we must follow this sequence. L is for ln, I is for inverse. Okay, inverse. A is for algebra. Okay, boleh nampak nah? Algebra. T is for trigo. E for exponent. Okay, yang ni saya short formkan as Liate. Okay, so when we want to let U, okay, from the question, we want to let U follow this sequence first. Okay, follow this sequence first. Okay, L for ln, I for inverse, A for algebra, T for trigo, E for exponent. Okay, later saya akan tunjuk examples dia. Okay, macam mana nak buat. Okay, and then the rest function will be dV. Okay, and then second step, after you have done let U and dV, for U, you need to differentiate. Okay, for U, you need to differentiate. For dV, you need to integrate. That is second step. Okay, and then you need to substitute U, V, du, dV, okay, into formula. Okay, substitute the value U, V, du, dV into formula. Okay, so for example, okay, for example, integrate x times exponent 3x dx. This is from my example. Okay, this is from my example. So this one is the two product of two function. We have x and exponent. Okay, this one is multiplication concept ni. Okay, so we have to use the IBP. Okay, integration by parts. Okay, macam mana nak use? Okay, first you need to find U and dV. Okay, you need to let U, and then we need to let U just follow this sequence. Okay, the first one, bila awak jumpa dalam question ni, okay, dalam soalan ni, bila awak jumpa is ln. Okay, first one is ln. Ada tak dalam soalan ni is ln? Tak ada kan? So no need to focus. And then I, inverse. Ada tak dalam soalan ni inverse? No. A is algebra. Ada tak soalan ni algebra? Yes, it is X. X is algebra. Okay, X square, X minus 1. This is algebra. Okay, this is algebra. So, bila algebra yang kita jumpa dulu. Okay, algebra yang kita jumpa dulu. So, we need to let X as U. Okay, we need to let X as U. Okay, kenapa bukan eksponen? Because eksponen last kali. Okay, eksponen dekat last kali ni. So, kita tak boleh nak letkan eksponen as U. Sebab kita jumpa algebra dulu. Kita kena follow this sequence. First is ln, I is for inverse, A for algebra, T is for trigo, E for exponent. Okay, bila kita let X as U, then exponent is for dV. Okay, the rest is dV. So, this one is dV. Okay, I give you another example. Okay, for example, integrate x square times cos x dx. So which one we gonna let as U first? Okay, first one is ln. Ada tak ln kat sini? Tak ada. Inverse? Tak ada. Algebra? Yes, ada. So this one is U, this one is dV. Okay, sebab trigo, algebra dulu baru trigo. Cos X ni adalah trigo. Okay, sin X, tangent X. This one is trigo. We call as trigo. Okay. Another example, if we have integrate ln X over X dx. So which one is U, which one is dV? Okay, the first one is ln. Kita jumpa ln dulu kan? Okay, ln ada dalam soalan ni. Then, ln X is U. Okay. And then, X ni yang kat bawah ni, it is actually 1 over X. Ln X actually. So, ln X yang kita jumpa ni as U, 1 over X as dV. Okay, we must follow this sequence, turutan dia. What if we have integrate x square times sin inverse x dx. Okay, boleh nampak tak? Okay. So, the first one is ln. Okay, ln tak ada kan dalam soalan ni? Saya pandang set. Integrate x square times sin inverse x dx. Okay, kalau tengok pada the sequence for letting U, okay, the first one is ln. Ada tak ln kat sini? Tak ada. Second one is inverse. Yes. This one is inverse function. Okay, inverse. So, this one then, yang kita kena let as U. And then, after that, algebra is, the rest is dV lah. Okay. Boleh faham tak? Okay, another example. Integrate exponent x times cos x dx. So which one that yang kita nak let sebagai U? Okay, which one? L tak ada, I tak ada, E tak ada, trigo and exponent. So trigo yang kita jumpa dulu. Okay, trigo is the terms yang keempat lah. Okay, terms yang keempat. Okay, before exponent. So cos x is let as U, we let as U, and then exponent we let as dV. Okay, kita tengok pada sequence ini. Okay, walaupun cos x ni duduk belakang, okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, we let as U. Kita tengok, kita ikut susunan yang dia bagi ni. Liate. Okay, boleh faham lah? Hope you guys faham lah. Okay, so yang ni, this one, kita dah let U as x and then dV as exponent. Okay, exponent x. So, we need to differentiate. Okay, differentiate U, integrate dV. Second step. Okay, U equals to x, differentiate U. Okay, differentiate U with respect to x. Differentiate x, we get 1. So, du equals to dx. Yang ni buat sebelah. Okay, and then for dV, we need to integrate. Okay, dV kita dah let sebagai exponent 3x. Okay, exponent 3x. Then we need to integrate both sides. Okay, integrate dv. Okay, before this I have show you integrate dx. Integrate dx, we get x, right? Get x. Integrate dv, we get v. Okay, in terms of v. Okay, and then integrate exponent 3x. How do we get? We will get exponent 3x back. Okay, sama je exponent 3x, and then don't forget to differentiate this one, 3x. Okay, differentiate 3x, we get 3. Then we need to divide 3. Perlu tak tambah c? No need to plus c. Why? Because this one is the formula. This one yang asal yang kita nak integrate sebenarnya. Okay, this one yang kita nak integrate sebenarnya. So yang ni tak perlu tambah c lagi. Okay, so substitute into formula. Okay, uv, the formula is uv minus integrate v du. Okay, u, what is u? This one, x. Times v, what is v? Exponent 3x over 3. Minus integrate v, which is exponent 3x over 3. Du, what is du? This one, dx. Okay, for this one, we need to make du as a subject. Okay, so du, it is equal dx. Okay, and then this one, x exponent 3x over 3. Okay, satukan, tak apa, tak ada masalah kalau awak nak satukan over 3 sebab dia dalam konsep multiply. Okay, and then minus, okay, 1 over 3, it is constant number. Okay, take out the constant number. Integrate exponent 3x dx. So, x exponent 3x over 3 minus 1 over 3. Integrate exponent 3x, you will get exponent 3x back. Divided by, okay, differentiate 3x, you get 3. And then, you need to plus c. Okay, don't forget to plus c. Okay, and then, x exponent 3x over 3 minus, okay, 3 times 3, we get 9. So, exponent 3x over 9 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, boleh faham dah? This is konsep IBP. Alright. Okay, another example. Okay. Okay, another examples. Look at your notes. Okay, look at your notes. Example 2.15. Okay, 2.15. Okay, example 2.15. Okay, the question is integrate x ln x dx. So, we need to let u first. Okay, let u first. Okay, follow this sequence. Okay, first is ln. Kita jumpa apa dulu kat sini? Ln. So, ln x is u. Okay, and the rest would be dv. So, x is dv. So, dv, it is equal x. Okay, and then you need, second step, you need to differentiate. Okay, differentiate u. Which, this one. Okay, du over dx, it is equal. Differentiate ln x, we get 1 over x. Okay, and then we need to make du as a subject. Du, it is equal 1 over x dx. Okay, 1 over x dx. Okay, make du as a subject. And then dv, it is equal this one x. Okay, for dv, you need to integrate. Okay, integrate. Dah nampak tak? Okay, integrate dv. Okay, so integrate dv, we get v. Integrate x, we get x square over 2, right? Okay, and then substitute into formula uv minus integrate v du. Okay, so U is ln X. Okay, times with V. V is X square over 2. Minus integrate V is X square over 2 also. Times du. Du is 1 over X dx. Okay, du is 1 over X dx. Okay, and then so X square, awak nak bawa ke depan pun tak apa, tak ada masalah. X square ln X over 2. Okay, and then minus, okay, X, we can cancel out with this one. Okay, X square dengan X, cancel out. 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is a constant number. Take out the constant number. Integrate apa? Integrate X only. dx. Okay, and then X square ln X over 2 minus 1 over 2. Integrate X. You will get X square over 2 plus C. Then X square ln X over 2. Okay, minus 2 times 2 we get 4. So X square over 4 plus C. So this is the answer. Alright, boleh faham tak? Tak faham boleh dia tanya dalam WhatsApp, okay?